Hello student, we are discussing here the chapter number 11 of class 5. The name of this chapter, Force, Work and Energy. So in these chapters we will be discuss about what are the meaning of the force, what are the meaning of the work and what are the meaning of the energy. And then we also classify the force into the different type, different group, work, its definition, and we also discuss what are the different type of the energy. So I hope you get the meaning what we are going to discuss in this chapter. So we start here. Force. What are the meaning of the force? So I hope some of the students you know very well. Force when we pull or push any object. Suppose an object is stay here, okay, and when we are trying to move it, then definitely we have to act or we have to exert the push on that object. Suppose if we want to move this object, definitely we have to exert, we have to act the force on it. अगर हम इस पे फोर्स लगाएंगे then it will be move. Okay, so you will be see here the push or pull acting on an object is called the force. So force means when we push an object or pull an object. What are the meaning of the push and what are the meaning of the pull? If you will be see here this guy, a person's in this you will be see it's kicking a football, and in this second picture if you will be see it's this is a girl and definitely it's stretching the rubber band, and this one guys he is trying to pull the door, and this one yes he's standing here. So I just want to say that if we want to move any object towards us, suppose in this third case here this guys is trying to move the gate towards its, okay, if we are trying to move any object towards us that will be known the pulling. Pull means खींचना, खींचना यानी कि अगर हम force exert कर रहे अपनी तरफ, that will be known the pulling. If you will be seeing the first case, this guy is trying to push or we can say this guy is trying to kick out this football. So football के ऊपर जो force exert किया है and he want to pull it or he want to move this object away from this. Okay, so definitely अगर हम अपने से दूर किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को फोर्स एग्जर्ट करते हैं दैट विल बी नोन द पुशिंग, यानी कि बाहर की तरफ धक्का लगाना. So pushing and pulling both are the different terms, but both will be act when the force will be exert. I hope you get the meaning of it. Now there are the few picture is given and where there we have to tell the force is apply or not. If force is applied, then we have to tick the correct answers. If force is not applied here, then we have to mark the cross here. So a guys is just generally stand here. Okay, so a person is standing on the under the tree, so he's not doing any work. So definitely he's not applying any force. So definitely we will be write the cross mark. This girl is sitting on the stairs, so she is not doing any work. So definitely we will be put the cross here because he is not applying the any force. In the third picture, if you will be see, she is trying to cut the clothes. Okay, so he's trying to she is trying to cut the clothes. So she is doing some activity or some work. So we can say she is applying the force here. And the third one, this guy is pull the stone here, not the pull, push the stones. Okay, he throw it away, so definitely he push the stone, so it also exert the pressure. In the fourth one, he push the cart, so definitely he's also applying the force, and she is also applying the force because this swing is moving continuously, so she is also exert the force here. I hope you get the meaning of it. In which condition, in which act the force will be exerted, in which case force will not be exerted. If we are doing any activity, then we can say we are exerting, we are applying the force. Now we will be discussing here effect of the force. What will be the effect? What kind of the factors we observe during the force is exerted on a body? So force can change the shape and the size of an object. If we will be apply the force on any object, so the size and the shape can be changed. For example, like the stretching rubber. So rubber definitely suppose this is the size of the rubber. If you will be stretch it, so the size will be increase of the rubber band. And similar, the shape can be also changed. Suppose this is a bottle here, this is a water bottle, okay, and if you will be crush it, then what will be happen, the shape will be changes. So when you apply the force on it, so shape can be changes and size can also change. Similar, the second effect, the change in the directions of a moving object. So if a object is moving, So applying the force, through applying the force, we can change the direction of it. Suppose a cricket ball is moving towards the batsman. So when he will be hit this ball by a bat, so what is happening here? The directions of this moving ball is the changing. This ball was moving in this directions. After hitting by the bat, this ball will be moved in this direction. So the direction is changing. Similar, the force of the change. Force can change the speed of a moving object. Similar, the moving speeds will also be changed when we will be hit it by any object or when we will exert the force. So exerting the force can be changed the shape, exerting force can be changed the directions, speed of the moving object, and similarly the force can be start the motion of an object and it can stop the moving object. Suppose a object is standing here. It is in the rest position like a ball here. And if you will be try to kick here, so what will be happen? अगर आपने इससे इसको kick किया, so it will be come in the moving. So it was in the rest position, it was not moving, but when you will be kick it, then it will be going to the motion or the moving object. Okay, so it go into the moving or the motion. So yes, this is a kind of the change or this is a kind of the effect of the force. Similarly, if an object is moving, so you can stop the motion of it. Suppose a ball is falling to the ground and if you just catch it, so what will be happen? The moving object will be stopped. The moving object will become in the rest when you catch it. So this is the another example. The stops, yes, force can stop the moving object. So these was the factors, what kind of the changes, what kind of the effect of the force and how it will be effect. Okay, so there is some example is given. I hope you get the meaning of it.